another script here on Inner Health Studio, and it's a yawn and stretch script. It's a relaxation script, and it's just a little one, and it's very simple. So I'm gonna read it to you, and while I read it, I'm gonna actually do what it says to do. So follow along with me if you like. Get ready by rotating your shoulders and shaking your shoulders and arms. So rotate your shoulders back. Good. A couple more times. That already feels good, doesn't it? Right up to your ears and all the way back. Now start rotating them forward. It's a little harder to do, but you can do it. And then back a couple more times. And hold your arms and hands up to your sides and give them a shake. Shake it up. Your arms, your shoulders, your hands, and shake it up. This will help to loosen up any tight muscles. Alright. Now open your mouth and start to breathe in. Open your mouth wider, wider, and open the back of your throat. Feel the breathing passages opening. Your ears may even pop. Allow the yawn to arrive as you inhale, and then complete the yawn by breathing out loudly with the sigh. Take a few slow deep breaths. Breathe in. And out. In. And out. In. And out. Now yawn again, and as you inhale with your mouth open wide, stretch your arms out and up. Stretch your muscles as you yawn. Allow your arms to drop back to your sides as you breathe out with a sigh. And that's it. So give that a try, and hopefully it works, because it actually does feel nice to yawn